What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Verasity in here, and as we can see, looking pretty damn good still. Obviously just having a bit of a consolidate over the past few days, as we can quite clearly see. We've come up to a new all-time high of around 6.7 cents there. Basically come up, had a bit of a consolidation, a roll back to retest some previous levels of support. Basically just coming in, maybe a bit of a, potentially a head and shoulders pattern here, with obviously a breakdown target coming back down to some of these levels here, down at around 4.5–5 cents. But we do think, considering how bullish we have been, it's probably unlikely that we would be falling down that far. And it looks as though more likely than not, we're probably just doing something like this, where we are just consolidating, coiling up to a little bit of a mid. This is a nice little howdy candle, by the way. Basically a little bit of a just a consolidation period, really. You could say we've maybe got a bit of a range looking something like this. As you can see, obviously bottom and top of range, come back down, retest the lows. We come up, we have the fake out to the upside, we come back down inside the range, retest it as resistance, coming back down again, basically just chopping it up, looking something like this, going to the side, basically with the market, looking a little bit bearish today. A quick look at Bitcoin will tell us. It looks as though, Bitcoin's had a little bit of a roll over here. Rolled over from around 58k down to 55k. Now getting a little bit of it's actually rolled all the way down to around 51k, didn't it? Looks as though we've got some bullish divergences though. But overall, obviously with the market looking a little bit bearish, we've seen quite a lot of cryptos having a little bit of a rollover. This is a very nice candle, by the way, for Verasity. Look at this hourly candle here. This is really, really good to see. A little bit of a reversal off the bottom, but you can see here, overall, zooming out, things looking great. I mean, we're breaking out of key levels of support. We're coming back down, trying to retest that previous all-time high of around 5.5 cents, which we have come down and swept quite nicely. If you zoom in here, you can see that previous level of 5.5 cents. If I just draw that in again, looking something like that. You can see here we've come down, swept this area quite a few times on our daily chart now, trying to hold that previous all-time high support. And if we do, we're going to be looking at a really, really nice bounce for Verasity quite soon. But we'll keep this video short and sweet. Short-term price predictions, we do think Verasity is looking very strong. Obviously, if we roll over here, we want to see a full retest of that previous all-time high around 5.5 cents. If I just throw the fib retracement tool on something like this, you can see it quite clearly here. We've got our previous all-time high level that we want to see holding in and around that 5.5 cent level. But if we roll over from that, we've got that top of that wedge at around 5 cents as well. A very, very good level that we could see ourselves come down and sweep if we rolled over. But in reality, it looks like we're looking really bullish in the market. And if we do start to pump up, then we're looking for that all-time high against 6.7 cents. And then upwards of around that 10 cent level, which is our next fib target at 127. So, and as we keep saying, we do think 50 cents to $1 for Verasity, very, very likely. Top quality project. We really do think it's going to do very well. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.